Welcome back to another episode of Soul Food. I'm your host, Almighty L Infinite. I'm back today with another review and another unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing a New Balance MT580. It wasn't like an exclusive, collaborative shoe that they came out with. I don't even think it was a made in USA version because usually those tend to go for a little bit more. This was just a shoe shopping that I came across that I decided to pick up. So we're gonna get into it. We got here. So the one thing about me is my collection is vast. I think I have at least one sneaker from just about every single brand that exists as far as sneakers goes. And probably with the exception of a few boots and so forth and so on. But I have a lot of brands in my collection. So like I've told y'all in past episodes, I'm not going to be just doing unboxing and reviews, but I'm also going to take you into the closet, not directly. I should say pause with that closet shit too. But I'm going to give you guys a little peek into some of the things I've collected over the years. I have things that date back to the early 2000s. I probably even have something from the 90s. I think I have one shoe still from the 90s that I think I could still wear. I'll probably pop it out in the middle of doing like an unboxing and review and wear it on the feet, or when it's time for me to show you guys what I got in the stash, go over the year of when I got them. But for now, let's just get into this New Balance MT580 and see what y'all think. So the box, let's see what they call it. So they're calling it just a regular black and gray. That's what I would call it too, just a black and gray. It's definitely New Balance. These were nice. When I seen these, I said, yo, I gotta have these. I'm a guy that loves black, man, loves black. So I got anything that comes out in black, I typically get it because I know I could do something with. These are real nice, man. It even has, these are nice. These are nice. It has the roll bar. Has the roll bar technology. This is a real nice shoe, man. A real nice shoe. I didn't even really look at the details like that. I was just so happy to get the shoe when I seen this shoe. Scrolling through, just looking for some new pickups. I seen this MT580. I actually own quite a few pair of the MT580s. It's one of my favorite styles and silhouettes from New Balance. For those of you that don't know really New Balances like that, the MT580 is a real comfortable shoe, sturdy. So yeah, let's get into the review. So we got a little bit of nubuck on here, black nubuck. White on this side panel right here. This panel seems to be made out of like some sort of plastic or something similar, some sort of synthetic material right here that kind of hits with the accent to add a little breakup of the color with it being so black and dark. You have the light gray, a little bit kind of a mix of charcoal and Oxford gray. But the thing that makes this shoe so, and rubber branding on the tongue. It says 580 on the tongue and rubber. See that? If you guys can see that or not. Decent laces. Typically the 580s come with these laces. I probably would have rather a thicker texturized lace, maybe closer to like a rope, the rope style, but this will do. But what I was gonna tell you is what makes this shoe so ill to me is the reflective hits on it. The N is outlined in the reflector hit. These little side corners right here were hit with the reflector hit. And then the best part of it all is the reflector hit right here on the heel tab. Fire to me. The roll bar technology is lit. Like I said, it gives the profile of this shoe a little bit more girth. Pause. Gives it a little bit more style, gives it a little bit more bulkiness to it, so the shoe is not so slim in profile like some of the other New Balance silhouettes that you guys might be used to. I tend to go for the bulkier styled ones. versus the slimmer profiles. But this is a good shoe, man. I actually can't wait to wear this shoe. I think I'm gonna wear this shoe tomorrow, actually. I think I'm gonna wear this shoe tomorrow. I'm happy about this shoe. I wore New Balances a lot in the 90s when nobody was thinking about them. And now that everybody is hip to it, everybody's wearing them or whatever, but they're not familiar with the MT580. Not to mention a lot of people who used to wear New Balances are now wearing Asics. And the people that didn't know about the New Balance, like the new age generation, are focused more on the Asics. And I can't wait to show you some of my Asics that I have in my collection too. I have some crazy Asics from back when nobody was doing the Asics thing. I was tearing Asics up. So I have a few of those, but let's not make this review about the Asics and keep to the New Balance. One of the things I noticed on this is the mesh, the black meshing right here. You know, they combined a few different textures to give this thing a nice little look, man. You got the nubuck, you got the reflective hits, and you have the black mesh. And then, like I said, you have like this synthetic piece that I'm not sure what it's made out of. And then you get the charcoal / Oxford gray roll bar on the midsole, the back of the midsole. Got the black hit on the front of the midsole. The outer sole has a little bit of splash. I'm not sure if this is, yeah, it has like white specks, like an Oreo cookie, like how they usually did like the Oreo 6s back in the days. I don't know if that's like a cosmetic defect or not, but I feel like they added that in for a little bit more detail. And then you have where you can see the roll bar technology in the hive of the tread. So yeah, this is a cool New Balance, man. I'm gonna give this, for me, well, let's rate it in two ways. We're gonna rate it overall, and then we're gonna rate it as a black shoe. So as a shoe overall, I'm gonna give this like a good solid like 8.6, 8.7. And then with it being a black shoe or a darker shoe, I'm gonna give it a 9. But yeah, I'm definitely pleased. Let's pull out both shoes, make sure everything's right. I never pulled these out of the box. This is the first time. I don't even think I looked at them, to be honest. And I definitely didn't look at them with this close inspection right here. This shoe's a little wrinkled on this side. Make sure some of that stuffing gets in there, fill that out there. Can't have no crease in the shoe that I ain't never put on. It's not like a worn crease. It's just like from not putting the stuffing in as far as it needed to go. Caring about the shoe. A lot of these people didn't even care about the shoe. It was like, yeah, these are just some black New Balances, man. Throw those in the box. Nah. You gotta throw these black shits in there with care. You know what I mean? Take care of the black. Take care of the black. Alright? So yeah. Yeah, I'm pleased, man. I probably will double up on these if I could find these again, because I know they dropped a pair that's almost all black too. You know? But yeah, this was a nice pickup. I'm content. Very content. Like I said, I'll probably wear these tomorrow. You know what I mean? I'm in the mood. I'm in the mood to wear these. Definitely. Most people will throw on a sweatsuit. Nah, I'm not throwing on a sweatsuit with these bad boys. I'm throwing on some Japanese denim. You know what I mean? I'll probably throw on a little RTA. Yeah, some Japanese denim and some RTA. Probably gonna go with this. Yeah, I'm gonna get right. Yeah, I'm gonna get right. Yeah. But yeah, that's my review for the New Balance MT580 black and gray. If anybody knows if these had a special name when they drop, please let me know. Drop a comment below. If not, just enjoy the review. And I appreciate y'all. Love, light, and peace. Hit that like button and subscribe. Peace.